Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So for those of you who have been here before, you guys know I love shooting photography with my GoPro Hero 11. Primarily, we know it's an action camera, it's not built for photos, but you can shoot in RAW, you can take photos in RAW, and it has 27 megapixels. So I'm like, why not? Let's just try shooting with it. So I've done a few videos on this before. I've done it literally just going out shooting with it. I've done videos comparing it with the iPhone. I've done videos comparing the photos again with the Hero 10, and I really love this camera. I do get a lot of questions about my settings, so this video is literally dedicated to my settings. I'm going to put them on screen. I'm going to show you guys the screen here. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. It's super bright, so you may not be able to. If not, I'll do the settings on my GoPro app on the phone, and you guys can see exactly how I shoot. I'm probably going to take a shot around here as well and show you how it comes out. So guys, please like, please share, please subscribe, please check out a previous video. I'm doing a video on how I edit with it as well. There's some new software that I'm using to edit my GoPro photos, and you guys will love it. So check that out, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see when that video comes out. But yeah, let's go, let's get to my settings. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, or you can't see, that's not really working. You're not going to be able to see my settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my app on my phone and I'm going to screen record literally now my settings that I use for the GoPro photography. So let me give you guys a better view. So basically I'm in my local woodlands. It's quite a nice area, especially at this time. There's no one around. But yeah, let's get to my settings. I am going to screen record. So guys, I am screen recording. You can see there. These are my photo settings now, and I'm going to put them all on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So my output is RAW. You guys know RAW. It's always better to shoot in RAW, especially if you're editing. It gives you more control over the edits. My shutter speed now, this is an interesting one. I don't generally leave it on auto. I'll leave it on 1/250th depending on the weather. So that's where I'll keep it generally. My exposure compensation I will put to 0 generally. My ISO, my minimum is always at 100 and my maximum is at 400. On a day like this though, I'm going to put that maximum to 100 as well. White balance auto, just because I have the ability to edit that in edits. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. My sharpness, I generally have it on low or medium. I'm gonna keep it on low for now. A lot of people shoot with the color flat, but I like to keep it natural. It just gives me, I just like what I see with natural, but that's my preference. And literally that are my settings. That's my settings. If I'm shooting on a day like this, the sun's out, those will be my settings. The only thing I'll probably change is my maximum ISO. I'll probably put it to 400 on another day. Shutter speed now, if I'm shooting later, I'll put that to 1/20th. If I'm doing night photography, that's a completely different ball game. I've done a video on night shooting with the GoPro, and I'll put that in the description below. So those literally are my settings. I'm literally going to take a shot now and show you guys how it comes out. So guys, what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can see that pathway ahead of me. I'm going to get a shot literally of that pathway, and I'll put it on screen now. And literally these are using the settings that I've just showed you. I'm going to show you the unedited version now, and this is the edited version. I am doing a video on how I edit these pictures that should be out sometime in the next few days. And I'm using a different software which is really cool, which is great for GoPro photos. But yeah, so guys, please, if you like this video, please hit that like button, please subscribe to the channel, please share with any friends, family, anyone that you think might be interested. And I've got a few more videos to come, so check those out as well. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.